Here's a quick tutorial on how to remove and install a bracelet on a watch without lug holes. And it's pretty simple. All you need is a spring bar tool, a soft place to work, and some tape. So step 1, and this is really just a best practice, but go ahead and tape the underside of the lugs to prevent any scratching. Then hold the watch with the crystal facing down between your thumb and your forefinger. Now take the forked tip of the spring bar tool and insert it into the space in the back of the end link. Locate the flange on the spring bar and use that to depress the spring bar. While doing this, apply pressure with your finger on the end link. This will cause the end link to move and prevent the spring bar from returning into the lug hole. Now, while maintaining pressure on the end link, go ahead and repeat the process on the other side of the spring bar. Remember to use the forked tip of the tool to depress the flange. Once the spring bar has been pressed, this will cause the end link to pop free from the lugs. Be careful that the spring bar doesn't go flying off when you remove the bracelet. Then go ahead and repeat this on the other side of the watch. And as a note, pay attention to the direction of the bracelet and the clasp for when you reinstall. Often, the logo on the clasp will appear right side up if you were to look at it on your wrist. To reinstall the bracelet, start by inserting the spring bar into the end link. Then hold the watch head between your thumb and your forefinger, just like when you removed the bracelet. And now place the end link in between the lugs. While maintaining pressure with your thumb, go ahead and depress one side of the spring bar into the lug hole. Now while holding the end link in place with your thumb, repeat on the other side of the spring bar. It should slide into place and click. If you don't feel it click in the hole, gently wiggle the end link until you do. Repeat on the other side of the watch, and you're finished. It's really just a simple task that's beneficial in general watch maintenance, and it's a necessity if you ever want to change straps. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, click subscribe. And thanks for watching.